In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bank feeds in QuickBooks Online. This feature is an incredibly time-saving tool that helps you manage your business's financial transactions with ease and accuracy. So, let's dive right into it and explore how you can make the most out of bank feeds. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Transactions section on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is the hub for all transaction-related activities and will serve as your starting point for accessing bank feeds. Once you're in the Transactions section, find the Bank Transactions tab. Clicking here will open up the bank feed area, where you'll have access to the bank accounts you've connected to QuickBooks Online. You'll now want to select the specific bank feed account you'd like to review. This ensures that you are focusing only on the transactions relevant to that particular account. As you explore the bank feed table, you'll notice three main tabs at the top: for Review, Categorized, and Excluded. Each of these tabs is crucial for managing your transactions, so let's break them down. The For Review tab is where your synced bank transactions initially appear. In this area, you can sort through these transactions and compare them with your own transaction records or statements. This helps in verifying that everything aligns correctly with your financial records. If you come across a transaction that you confirm as accurate, you have a couple of options. To simply approve it, click the Add button on the transaction. This action will categorize the transaction and place it into the Categorize tab automatically. Should you encounter a transaction that requires further attention, you're able to click on it for more detailed editing. This gives you the opportunity to select the appropriate account category or match the transaction to one you've already recorded in your books. It's a flexible system designed to ensure each transaction is correctly handled. Once you've completed reviewing and categorizing transactions in the For Review tab, everything you've processed will appear in the Categorize tab, keeping your records neat and organized. This allows for a streamlined review process and ensures that your books stay up to date without the hassle of manual entry. And that's all there is to it. By utilizing the Bank Feeds feature in QuickBooks Online, you can significantly improve the efficiency of your transaction management. It not only simplifies the tedious task of manual data entry, but also helps in reducing potential errors, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.